In this video, we'll learn how to easily delete Telegram videos from your phone's storage. This can be especially helpful if you're running low on storage, as Telegram videos can take up significant space. To get started, open the Telegram app on your iPhone or Android device. Head to the settings by tapping on the gear icon. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the Data and Storage option and tap on it. Inside the Data and Storage section, you'll notice two options at the top of the screen: Storage Usage and Network Usage. Tap on Storage Usage to proceed. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of the types of data stored in Telegram and how much space each type is taking up. For example, videos, photos, and other files. If Telegram videos are taking up the most space, you'll need to clear them along with other cached data. Simply click on the Clear Entire Cache button. Telegram will take a few seconds to delete all cached files, including videos, photos, and other items. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation animation letting you know your storage has been cleared. Remember, deleting these files only removes them from your local storage. They remain available in Telegram's cloud servers, so you can re-download them anytime you need. That's all it takes to free up space on your phone by clearing Telegram videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.